Regaining confidence and inner power isn't about becoming someone new. It's about going back to the version of yourself that you actually lost on the way. It's a return, not a reinvention. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Demal Online Television. This is the Empower Plus show, and if you're new here, I am Diana Kimani. Today we are going to talk about regaining confidence and inner power. Alright? I hope you're ready. Here is a clear, grounded guide to rebuilding both confidence and inner power. Okay? Number one, reconnect with yourself before reconnecting with anyone else. Alright? When your confidence drops, it's because you've drifted away from your voice, your boundaries, your needs, your identity, and your values. And all this is what builds your confidence. All right? So what do you do? What do you do to regain your power and your confidence? You ask yourself these three questions. All right? What do I want? How do I feel? What do I need today? So that is number one. This shifts your focus back to you and removes the world. Remember, your confidence starts with you, with what you feel about yourself. All right. Number two, stop outsourcing your worth. What do I mean? Inner power weakens when you depend on the world. Maybe someone's love, attention, validation, your reaction. Like, if you're not told by someone else out there, Diana, you're beautiful, you won't feel okay about yourself. All right? So you should stop depending on the world or depending on the outer validations. You should know yourself. All right? Your confidence starts returning when you realize no one else decides your value, only you do. All right? A good daily affirmation for this is, my worth is not up for negotiation. Sounds good. Number three, rebuild self-trust, the foundation of confidence. That is everything. Self-trust is when you know, even if no one tells you you're beautiful, you already know it. Actually, they are confirming. So inner power is equal to self-trust. All right? And self-trust equals to following through on small promises to yourself. Pick one tiny action every day, like a 2-minute task. Like, for example, you don't feel like doing your cleaning. You just have to start in 2 minutes. Wash that one cup and then you'll feel motivated. All right? Yes. A small self-care moment. Take a bath, go on a walk alone. Like, you don't have to do it with someone else. Just you and yourself. A brief mental check-in. Relax, meditate, do all that thing, all right? Say no once. No, you shouldn't say yes to everything that comes your way. Of course, you will feel distracted, all right? Set one boundary, just one. Start one small step at a time. That is exactly what I'm saying. All right? When you show yourself reliably, your inner power returns naturally. Okay? Yeah. Number four, reframe failure and rejection. Confidence shrinks not from the event, but from the meaning you attach to it. Instead of saying, I failed or I'm not good enough, try saying, I learned something. I'm becoming better. All right? Instead of saying they didn't want me or something is wrong with me, you should say their preference does not align with my values. Wow. You even feel good about yourself, right? Power grows when you stop giving negative moments the authority to define you. That is when you start becoming powerful. Let me know there in the comment section if you're learning something, if you understand what I'm saying, or you have a story to share with us, because we all want to listen to your story too, alright? Number five, set boundaries without apologizing. Why should you apologize for your boundaries? You shouldn't. Inner power comes back fast when you stop abandoning yourself. Practice saying no without explaining. Walking away from what drains you. If maybe your friends are taking you out for drugs and alcohol and you don't want that, you want to get back to your sober life, normalize saying no. All right? Yes, you lose them, but you regain back yourself. And that is the most important thing. Not chasing people who don't choose you. I learned this the hard way. And I'm telling you, you gain your inner power to yourself so fast, so quick, because you don't need anyone and anyone's else validation. Like, stop calling people who ain't calling you. Stop going to visit people who are not visiting you. All right? Correcting people when they misunderstood you. You don't need to explain yourself. Just walk away. Protect your inner peace. Guard it as if you have nothing else in the world. All right? Yes. Boundaries are not walls. They are self-respect in action. I hope you understand. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know you are happy. Okay? Number 6. Rebuild your identity piece by piece. Ask yourself, what makes me feel strong? If it's dancing, do it. If it's cooking, do it pretty well. If it's doing your makeup, what activities energizes me? Is it walking? Is it taking a walk? Is it watching football? Is it movies? Is it meditation and writing down something? You understand? Yes. What traits am I proud of? What are you proud of yourself? Cameraman. My camera person, hello. What have I survived? What have you survived? Those are the questions you should be asking yourself to rebuild your identity piece by piece. They'll help you, and confidence grows when you remember who you are, not who someone made you feel like. All right? Yes. Number 7, use power posture. Use power posture moments daily. Not just physical posture, but emotional posture. Speak slowly and clearly. The intention is to be heard, is to be respected. Take up your space. All right? Hold eye contact into the eye. Don't rush to fill space. Don't rush to fill silence. Okay? Don't over-explain your choices. Stay mysterious. All right? These subtle behaviors reinforce that you're grounded and secure. You don't need anyone's validation. You don't need explanations. All right? Yes. Number 8, surround yourself with people who refuel you, not those who drain you. Yeah? Your environment can either drain you, power you, or feed you. All right? Ask yourself, who do I feel stronger around? Who do I shrink around? Who supports my growth? All right? Those 3 questions will help you surround yourself with people who refuel you. All right? Inner power grows when you stop giving your energy to people who don't deserve it. Another thing that I learned the hard way, right there. But I thank God I'm a better person, and I thank myself because I took in the work. Return to your body. All right? Yeah. Confidence that doesn't just live in your mind, it's also in your nervous system. Your body feels it. Try grounding exercises, breathing practices, short walks, movements that makes you feel alive. I hope you'll do that. A stable body produces a stable mind. Yeah? Yes. Speak to yourself. This is number 10. Speak to yourself like someone you love. How do you speak to yourself? Do you say, I'm not worth these opportunities? Do you say, I'm not beautiful? Do you say I don't deserve good people? Some girls say I don't deserve cute men. Who told you? You actually deserve one. Inner power fades when your inner voice is harsh. When you talk ill about yourself, that is when your power goes down, all right? And that is when your confidence fades away. So replace that with, replace I'm not good enough with I'm improving. You'll feel good, right? Speak to yourself like someone you love. Inner power fades when you speak or when your inner voice is harsh. Replace I'm not good enough with I am improving. How does that feel? Good, right? I look terrible with I am worth as I am. Alright? Don't speak ill about yourself. No one wants me. With the right people see my value. I mean, I'm not for everyone. So, normalize saying good things about yourself. That makes you feel sweet. That makes you feel lively, and that is when you boost your confidence. And actually, don't listen to what people say. All right? Not everyone is there to love you and to compliment you. All right? Yes, the tone you use with yourself shapes the entire sense of power. All right? I hope you understand. If you want, I can help you rebuild your confidence in a structured way. You just have to say help in the comment section and I'll get back right to you, and I'll be so ready and so happy to help you. All right? Yes. Until I see you again next Friday, please take care of yourself. I love you so much, and please regain your confidence and your inner power because it's worth it. All right? Please subscribe to this amazing channel so you may see more of these valuable lessons. All right? Bye.